Well, welcome to Module 4, and if you've looked ahead, it doesn't appear as if there's a lot going on this week. And it's really not an assignment intensive module. But what is important is you're going to take your first unit test this week, your first big test of this class. And you can still, the thing about this test is I still allow you to use your notes. Hopefully you've done your study guide by now, and you can use your study guide. You can use your book. So, not a tremendously tough task to ask you, just because you have so many resources at your fingertips. So you can certainly use that as you go through this test. Just be aware that you won't be able to do that on any proctored exams. So you can on this, but you won't be able to on a proctored exam. Just to kind of let you know, there's going to be 40 questions on this test. It's a mixture of true, false, and multiple choice questions, all covering chapters 1 through 3. So again, if you've gone through your study guide, you won't have any trouble with this test. You have your notes to look at, your book. So you should be good as far as this test is concerned. One thing to mention, before you take this exam, be ready to take it. So in other words, before you type in the password, be ready to sit down for the time length of the test. Don't think that you can type in the password, begin the test, stop the test, and then come back to the test later, because it doesn't work like that. So be sure you're ready to sit down and commit the time length of the test before you try to take this test, because I won't be able to let you retake it if you started it. So be sure you're ready before you take it. The only other thing in this week that you have to do is, again, read chapter 4. Go ahead and read chapter 4. Review your notes. Look at the lecture videos. Be prepared with chapter 4, and then go ahead and complete the chapter 4 quiz. I know you might not like the fact that there's a quiz and a test in the same week. I don't think it'll be a big deal, because that's really all you have to do this week. But the quiz, again, is like a homework grade. So just go ahead and get that done. I would probably do my test first, my Unit 1 test, and then I would look into Chapter 4 and do Chapter 4 and do that Chapter 4 quiz. So not a lot this week, but an important week nonetheless. So good luck on your test. I know you guys are going to do good. If you got any questions, just let me know.